Hello friends, in today's tutorial I will show you how to crochet this fingerless glove for 10-year baby size. We will make this wrist part first and then we will join from this side, and after that we will make this part of shells and then thumb part. So I am using these two colors of yarn for my project, and a 2.5mm crochet hook, a cutter and a yarn needle for sewing. So first of all, make a slip knot, and after that start making chains with the help of crochet hook. So make chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, chain 4, chain 5, chain 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and after making 15 chains we will work into the third chain from the hook. Pull the yarn through 2 loops and then pull the yarn through 2 loops. So make a double crochet into this chain, and now into the next chain make a double crochet stitch, and into the next chain make a double crochet. Now into the next chain make a double crochet and work a double crochet into each of the chain across, and at the end of the first row we would have total of 13 double crochet stitches. So do double crochet in each of the stitch in each of the chain across. This is the last one. Make a double crochet into this chain. Our first round is completed. For the second one, make 2 chains, turn your work and make a double crochet into very first double crochet stitch of first row. Now make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch, and again make a double crochet into the next double crochet stitch. So make double crochets in every stitch across. I have completed my second row. For the third one again make 2 chains, turn your work and make a double crochet stitch into very first double crochet stitch, and make double crochet stitches in each and every double crochet stitch of the second row, and do it for the third row. So complete your required length like this. I have made total of 14 rows for the wrist part. You can increase or decrease according to your size. Make chain 1 and pull the yarn a few inches for sewing purpose. Now cut the yarn with the help of cutter and remove the extra yarn strand. Now from the opposite side join these two parts with the help of yarn needle, and after this wrist part we will make shell stitch with the change color of yarn. So join these two parts by pulling the yarn needle through each of the stitches one time. By the way, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notification of all tutorials on my channel. Now take the right side upward and start working with the change color of yarn. Now make a slip stitch with this yarn and start working from anywhere. Start working in the middle of a row, double crochet stitch, make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3. These 3 chains will be counted as a double crochet, and after that into the same space make a double crochet. Now we have 2 double crochets including 3 chains. Now make 2 chains, and after that into the same space make 2 double crochets again to make a shell. Double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. This is our first shell. Now we would leave one row and we would work into the next row, double crochet stitch right here, and we would make another shell here. So make 2 double crochets, two chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and again make 2 double crochets right here, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. Now again leave one row and into the next row double crochet stitch, first double crochet stitch, make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets right here. Skip one row and into the next one make a shell by making 2 double crochets, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, 2 chains and then double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2, and again skip one row and into the next one make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 2 chains, again 1 double crochet and then 2 double crochets into the same space. So do it and make a shell by skipping one row and complete the round till the end. Now this is the last row. Make a shell into that row by making 2 double crochets, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets here, and after that make a slip stitch into the third chain right here. So make a slip stitch into the third chain. Our first round is completed. For the second one, make a slip stitch into the second double crochet and make a slip stitch into the chain 2 space. Now we would work right here, make 3 chains, chain 1, chain 2 and chain 3, which will be counted as a double crochet, and then make double crochet 1, 2 chains and then double crochet 2 times right here into the chain 2 space, double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2. So this is the shell. Now work into the next chain 2 space, make double crochet 1, double crochet 2, chain 1 and chain 2, make double crochet 1 and then double crochet 2 right here into the chain 2 space. So do it according to required length. I have made 1, 2, 3 and 4 rows. Now we would make 5th row where we will leave a thumb part. This is an increased part. So now work into the same space, make 3 chains which will be counted as a double crochet, and after that make 1 double crochet and then another double crochet into the same chain. After that make 2 chains, chain 1 and then chain 2, and then make 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet and then 3 double crochet into the same chain 2 space. This is an increased shell. Now into the next shells we would make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets till the end of the row without any increase. So make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets into each chain 2 space and complete your round till the end. I have completed my round. So here make a slip stitch into the third chain and after that make a slip stitch into the second double crochet and then make a slip stitch into the third double crochet and into the chain 2 space we will make single crochets, single crochet 1, single crochet 2 and then single crochet 3. We will make 3 times single crochet right here into the chain 2 space. Then we will make slip stitch into the next 3 double crochet stitches and after that make a slip stitch into the second double crochet, first double crochet, second double crochet and then into the chain 2 space. And now we would work right here. Make chain 1, chain 2 and then chain 3 and after that make double crochet 1, 2 chains and then 2 double crochets to make a shell. So do it till the end of the round and make a few rounds with this part also, but in this one we would leave a thumb hole right here for the thumb. So make shells in every chain 2 space of the previous round except the increased part where we will leave our thumb hole. So do it all around except the increased part. So complete the round. At the end of the row we will leave a thumb part. So do it till the last increased shell. Leave this part and now here at this shell we will make a slip stitch into the third chain. So this will be our thumb part. And now make a slip stitch into the second double crochet and then make a slip stitch into the third double crochet, 2 chains and after that make a shell into the chain 2 space and complete your round 3 times more like this. So I have made 3 rounds including this one. Now make a slip stitch into the first, into the third chain and after that make a slip stitch into the second double crochet stitch. Now pull the yarn over and cut it with the help of cutter. Remove the extra yarn strand and now weave this yarn end with the help of yarn needle. So now our fingerless is ready. If you like the video, please give it huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel also. Thank you so much for watching the video. Bye.